Hi, welcome back. So, I hope maging magandang inyong Christmas at New Year. And I hope you had lots of fun sa mga reunions and of course, playing with your VR games. So, what's up? Anong nangyayari ngayon? Been busy playing games, saka watching movies and all of that during the holiday season. So, I would just like to report back kung ano na ba ang status ng ating Beanbook battery strap, no? So it's been a while since I received that unit, and para lang mas mabilis, just to cut the story short, until now the unit is still 100% walang tunog, noiseless, buzzless, without any noise whatsoever. So I've been using the unit on and off during the holiday season. Doon ako nanonood minsan ng movies, Netflix, yan, even YouTube, which has a fantastic upgrade. So apparently pwede na tayo manood ng 4K videos, no, sa YouTube, dun sa pinaka-app ng Meta Quest. Kasi before, it's limited to 1080, I guess. Pero ngayon, mas mataas na. So, mas malinaw na. So, it's good in viewing 3D movies. Lalo na yung mga uploaded, yung mga 360 movies. Ayan. So, okay. Mas maganda na siyang panoorin directly using the YouTube app. Okay, going back to Beanbook battery strap, I've been receiving a lot of feedback then from other users na still medyo inconsistent. Some of the users report that they've been still experiencing noise using the Beanbook battery strap, but some of them apparently doesn't hear anything when they're using the unit. Tahimik lang. So I guess that inconsistency alone is a bit problematic pa rin, no? Kasi if your product is 100% working, it should be 100% working all the time with every unit, no exceptions. But if you have some units or some users reporting na meron nga sa kanilang nakaka-experience ng buzzing sound, meron tayong problema dyan. Kasi ibig sabihin, there are Beanbook battery straps out there which are I might say defective, no? Because they're still hearing this buzzing sound na some of the users aren't hearing. So bakit ganun? Why is that the case? So I guess I know andito yung Beanbook manufacturer, subscriber siya ng ating channel. So yes, I would like to inform you, sir and ma'ams, na yeah, some users are still experiencing the problem. Maybe there's a batch or two which are defective. So you might as well consider a recall if you like, no? Kung pwedeng makapagbalik ng unit sa inyo yung mga users na nakabili ng medyo dispalinghado na unit, mas maganda yon. That's like a good gesture in your part, mga ma'am at sir, if you can do that for the users na unfortunate enough na nakakuha ng buzzing unit with buzzing sounds. So ayun lang naman. But as for me, 100% satisfied ako. My unit, specifically mine, and yeah, meron ding ibang users na na-encounter ako, wala talaga daw silang naririnig na ingay. So I'm not alone in this experience. Kasi dati I used to think baka ako lang naman na nakaka-experience ng walang ingay, no? Ano ako, parang isolated case. Pero well, hindi naman ganoon pala. Kasi meron din ako mga na-encounter na may mga units, may mga Beanbook battery straps na right from, fresh from the box, wala talagang buzzing sound. So yeah, 100% working as expected. So ayun lang naman. I hope makapag-decide na rin kayo if you're looking for a battery strap with hot swappable batteries. Kasi kung gusto nyo maglaro ng tuloy-tuloy, you just need to swap the batteries, So habang sina-charge nyo yung battery 1, you're using battery 2. By the time na maubos na yung battery 2, yung battery 1, of course, fully charged na yan. So that's the time you hot swap the batteries. Now, you're using battery 1, i-charge mo naman ngayon yung battery 2. So ganun lang. So alternate lang. Okay? So, I guess, until now, I've been looking at the market. Wala pa rin ako makitang competition na pwede kong masabing much better option than the Beanbox battery strap. For me, it is still the best sa kanyang na-offer, no, which is the hot swappable battery option, no. Yun lang naman turn off sa kanya yung alleged, no, buzzing sound, which is, I know it exists, pero hindi sa lahat talaga ng unit I'm sorry kung talagang may mga taong naka-receive ng ganun, pero hindi naman siya laging ganun ang case. Alright? So in case naka-receive kayo ng ganun, report it back to Beanbox. I hope they're kind enough to replace the unit, kasi ang dali naman patunayan nun di ba? Kung meron talagang sound. May mga nagsasabi pa nga yung buzzing sound daw, it only happens kapag yung unit nyo is 90% and up, or minsan pa nga 70% and up, ganyan daw. Pero sa akin kasi regardless kung ano man percentage ng battery, talagang walang sound. It's just quiet, no? Ganyan. So for me, hindi siya issue. I'm not in the minority, I hope, kung sa ganitong klaseng experience sa Beanbox. Pero kasi sa price niya and sa nagagawa niyang yung additional value na binibigay niya sa longevity ng iyong playing time using your Quest 3 or Quest 2. Quest 3 lang pala. Your Quest 3 undeniably better than any of the competition out there. Okay. So yun lang. So if you're still looking for battery strap, I'd suggest yung go-to pa rin natin is still the Beanbox battery strap. At meron din tayong good news. Okay? If you're planning, no? So, I hope na-convince ko kayo to buy Beanbox battery strap. Meron din tayo dyang affiliate link if you'd like to buy one. When you click that, magkakaroon kayo ng super discount. No? So, a price slice off, no? Of your purchase to Beanbox battery strap. So you might be thinking, kaya naman pala niya to binibida kasi siya affiliate link. Actually, it's the other way around. Bago ako nag-ask for affiliate opportunity from them, na-convince ako, and actually I'm impressed doon sa product. So I believe kung ako man magre-recommenda ng product for battery straps, Beanbox na, kasi again, right now, as of this moment, it's the best in my opinion. So yeah, if you'd want to buy one, might as well use my affiliate link to buy one. Meron na rin mga bumili, so thank you for those who bought using my affiliate link. So that being said, Happy New Year sa inyong lahat, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the year. I'll be updating my video soon kung ano yung mga bagong ganap sa VR world. And yeah, happy gaming everyone, and I hope you have a good one. Cheers! Cheers, cheers, cheers!